Welcome to SenservaPro, the easiest way to identify vulnerabilities within your Azure Active Directory. SenservaPro provides a full analysis of over 200 controls around configurations and events to help rank order user accounts and applications within your tenant by security, risk, and awareness. SenservaPro provides value on day one by installing directly from the Microsoft Azure Marketplace within 20 minutes. Once installed, you can go ahead and review your information from your scan and be able to see all of your user accounts and the detail around it with full searching and sorting capabilities. On each user account, you can see the details that are pulled for each account by possible security risk associated with the account from top to bottom, from critical to least critical. SenservaPro also provides the same analysis and information for all conditional access policies within the tenant, all applications within the tenant, and we also work with compliance on various benchmark frameworks to help organizations remain or get back in compliance if there was compliance drift. We look at all the controls as to why a benchmark may have failed and give you basic remediation information to go ahead and quickly get back into compliance and resolve any outstanding issues. SenservaPro was designed to save your administrators time and effort in identifying this information on their own and digging through the information to resolve it. SenservaPro immediately helps reduce your attack surface and in the long term helps with configuration drift. If you'd like more information, please feel free to visit us at www.senserva.com, send us an email at info@senserva.com, or give us a try directly from the Microsoft Azure Marketplace. Thank you for watching.